Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm Lexis and Company. So guys, today we are going to discuss on the topic of union and its territory, which is a very initial and important topic of Constitution of India. The union and its territory, which contained in the Article 1 to 4 of the Constitution of India. So let's we discuss this articles one by one. The article 1, which is deal with the name of our country, type of polity and area of our territory. Then a name of our country, which is India, that is Bharat. The polity of our country, which accepted union of states, then a federal of state, which the federal of state, which is a concept of America. The territories of India, which is mentioned into the Schedule 1 of the Constitution, that from where to where the territory of India is spread. Contain the princely states, British provinces, Union and its territory, and acquired states after the independence. So now we will discuss about the Article 2. Parliament can add or establishment of new states in union of state by make a law. That is the power of a parliament, that they can add any or they can acquire any state and also add it into the territory of India, the Union of India, and on there is no need of the recommendation of president. The parliament can independently take this decision. So next article, which is the article 3, it deal with parliament can separate, increase, merge and change the name of any part of the state, or take any recommendation or suggestion of the respective state also, but they are not bound to this suggestion, to the recommendation. All depends on the parliament that they want to adopt this suggestion or not. It's all up to them to merge, to separate or increase the size of any state. It is a decision of a parliament. There is also a very essential that bill shall only referred by the president. It is very important that this bill, the change, the separation, the increase, the merge, and the change the name of any part of the state. This bill always referred by the president of India, and on the recommendation of the president of India, this bill is passed in the parliament. No cannot independently passes this bill. Article 4 of our constitution. Article 4, according to Article 4, for any change, parliament do not need any constitutional amendment. They can pass by a simple majority. Means if they change any state, or if they increase or decrease or change the name or separate from another state or add any independent state into the union territory, so they do not need for any special majority. They can pass this bill by the simple majority in a parliament and by the audience, but they need to amend or add such changes in the schedule first and fourth of the constitution. It is a needed to parliament to add these changes. They change, which is change related to any state, that they have to add it into the schedule first and fourth of the Indian constitution, which contain the whole the name of the Indian territory, the from where to where the Indian territory spread, and which states is included in the Indian territory. They have to mention or change into the schedule first and fourth of the Indian constitution. So this is all about the union and its territory, which contain into the constitution, into article 1 to 4 of the constitution. This is a part 1 video of topic union and its territory. In part 2 video, we will discuss that what is the history of our state, that basis our states of India were divided after the independence. So all about this video, all about this topic. If you have any problem, then you have to ask me in comment box, and I will give my best to answer it. A very thank you to all for watching this video.